Alright, hi, good morning. Thank you for joining for training for today. So today is join for the leave module webinar. Alright, so hopefully from your end can able to view my screen at the moment. Alright, so this is the Human Capital Management Solution webinar training for leave module. Alright, so next. So this is the webinar agenda. Right, so this one started on 10:30 until 11:30. So we continue for leave module, and 11:30 until 11:35 we break. After that we continue our training. So before we begin the webinar, so participant may ask a question anytime during the session, but the question will be chosen and addressed by trainer during the Q&A session. Alright, so presenter will only answer question during Q&A session. Participant will not able to talk during the training. However, Q&A chat box is always open during session. Okay, so for any question the presenter was unable to answer during that presentation, the answer will be shared via email by following next Monday morning. So hopefully you understand our webinar agenda today. Alright, so this is next is for the training outcome. By the end of this training, you should be able to first the method of using employee self-service. Second, the HR process flow for employee leave. The third, the HR process to create new leave and entitlement. The last one for is a HR report. Alright, so this is for HR process flow. First is an employee self-service. Second is setting. Next is a process flow. And then option for import transaction, and last one is for the report. All right, so for first time login, so this is for the employee self-service. For the first time login, we focus on first time login. Second is a general navigation, mobile view and left menu. Third is self-checking leave balance. Fourth is a my request, submit leave request or withdrawal. And last one is a my approval or rejection as a superior. Alright, so first we go through the first time login. Right, so step one, receive invitation link. Right, so you receive an invitation link sent to your work email as shown below. So this is the first time. This one will send it after your admin or your HR already create your profile, and will send you the invitation. So this is the email for invitation to create your own password. Right, so this is email will send automatically from no reply alias.c.io with the subtitle invitation open employee profile created. So this is the image. All right. So next, after click the link, so click at the blue link in the email. We direct to the new tab to create a new password to active the account. So this is the page. You need to enter a new password and please confirm your password. All right. So congrats, your account is ready. So we just go to the directing homepage. Is a https://app.oc.io/login on this one. So this is the URL to go your homepage. Alright. So next is our mobile apps. You can download from the Apple Store or Google Play Store at the moment. Alright. So next is the Employee View web portal. Okay, so left menu for summary document as an employee according the access right and access role given. So this is the left menu. So right menu accessed by employee on daily operation, right? So from web view portal, check on leave. So under leave here, there's an icon leave here. You can check your individual leave here. Right, so you can check your balance, your entitlement, everything is under individual leave here. Another one, each option is a leave history lah on this one. Alright, so next is for the mobile apps to submit request. Okay, first, this is the icon to apply the leave. Alright, so click this icon and click leave. Okay, so you can click the new request button. there's a click new request. All right. So once already click new request, please select the leave type and start end date. Okay. So and then if you have the covering person, reason or remarks, so you can enter, depends on the setting you set in the leave setting there. All right. So and then click submit button. All right. So next is that one is for the mobile apps version to request. So this is the web version request. All right. So click the right menu here. Okay. This is the icon to click new request. Click request here. And then next is click leave. And then click new request button here. Okay. All right. So next. So this is a request leave. All right. So here we have the pending, submit, and waiting for approval. So this one approved column is done approval. Reject is a rejected request. Last one is a cancel leave after approve or withdraw before approval. Okay, so this is the column from the web portal. All right, so approve leave is has a three option. You can click approve via email, via mobile apps. Last one is a via Workspace web portal. Step is a my approval, leave approve or reject. Alright, so this is the via email. So this is the image from the email. You can click approve button here, or you can view the details. Also, you can direct reject also in the via email. Alright, so next is approve leave via mobile apps. Okay, so we have the approval button here. So select the leave and you can proceed to approve here. Select pending, and here is we can click approve or reject button in the window. Alright. So that one is for the mobile apps. Next is a approve leave via Workspace web portal. So same with the request, but this one is click add approve request here. Once already click approve, and then you can select the leave and proceed to approve or reject here. So this is the uh, from the ESS for the employee and approval. Alright, so this is the case study. So leave type setting, annual leave, advance request minimum 5 days, backdated allow 7 days, attachment required if unplanned leave. Scenario, first create future leave without attach required. Next, create emergency leave or backdated leave below 5 days from the request date, required attachment. Right, so this is the case study only. Alright, so we're going to show you from the system side. Okay. Alright, so this is the system dashboard. Alright, so from here, my calendar, you can able to see your status with here lah. Is that pending or still or still pending to approve or something? Or maybe you can remind, you can set the reminder, ask them to approve lah your leave on this one. Okay. Alright, so this is from, let's say, your employee access right? So is this one you can able to click the my leave and you can see the individual leave here, right? So here you can able to see the leave balance, your leave available, or everything you can select here, and you can click this icon button to swipe to the right to check others which leave you already have in your system, right? So below here is the leave history, but this one is by monthly lah. So this one January already applied 2 days, February applied 3 days, or others leave already applied. You can check from here. Alright, so this is for the leave history details. Right. Next, you can able to check the leave history for your own leave, right? So you can check back what is the record you already apply, but this one check one by one lah, something like this one. Okay, so this is the you can able to view the leave record, but you not able to edit or something, because this one only for access employee, just only to view only at the moment. All right, so only can able to edit is the admin side lah. I will show you from admin side after this. All right, so this one for the individual leave and leave history for my leave, especially for the leave module. All right, so how to request? I just show you on the uh, web portal version only. So this one you can click menu, not menu, this is a my request icon. Click the my request icon and then click the leave here. Okay, and then click new request. All right, so this one you can able to choose which one leave you want to apply. Okay, all right, and then you need to select which leave you want to apply and which date. All right, so here you can able to choose a full day, first half or second half. First half, second half. So this one, if you choose the first half or second half, right, its total day is a 0.5 automatically. All right, so covering person, if let's say your setting have enable for the covering person, you must select who is your cover person if let's say you on leave. Okay, so enter remarks, and if you have allowed to add the attachment, please select the attachment. But the attachment is a file size must be below 4 MB, and make sure the character remarks to enter is 255 only at the moment. Right, so below here you can able to see who is your approval on this one. Okay, and then click submit button after done. Alright, so this is how to request. Alright, so this is my approval. Alright, so approval also same. Just click the approval here, my approval button, and then click leave module. And then if let's say have any pending to approve, yes, you must proceed to select this one. Just select, and then you can select all or select one by one also can, no problem. Alright, and then click if let's say you select all, just click button approve above lah. If let's say one by one, just click approve button in the below. Okay. Alright, so this is the for the ESS part for approval and employee. Alright, so we go back to our alright, so next is for the leave setting. So first, configure approval workflow. Second is a create leave type. Third is a create time off type. Fourth is a create unpaid leave or unpaid time off. Fifth is create replacement leave. Sixth, create leave group. Seven, modify leave ranking. And last one is a general entitlement. Alright, so this is the HR admin view. Okay, so many to be accessible by HR admin. Okay, here and here. Alright, so setting for the approval. Alright, so how to go to the setting approval workflow? First, go to the setting here, setting button here, and then click the general and click approval. Alright. Okay, so we're going to show you where is it to go to the approval setting. Alright, so first, so this is the login for the HR admin. Okay, here. So this is the login for HR admin. Alright, so how to set the approval? So go to the setting button here. Alright, and then go to the general and go to the approval. Click approval here. And then click the request leave. Alright. Okay, by default is system already create you all employee in one supervisor, like this one. Okay, if let's say if you want to change, maybe you want to certain group or maybe certain team is have 2 or 3, right? So you can create add new here, add new button here. Okay. Then you can enter the approval name. Right. So this one you can add the approver. Okay, so level 1 supervisor means this one is based on uh the reporting person. Who is a reporting person for this employee. So let's say for example, me approval reporting to A. So if let's say I set the approval supervisor 1, like this one, so means all the employee will approve by their own reporting person. Okay. So if let's say if you don't want to use based on the reporting person, it's okay. So you can search which approval name here. So you can search here and you can select right here. All right. So this is for the level. If let's say you have 2 level or 3 level, right? So please click add another leaf here. Okay. So click another option, another level 2 approval here on this one. Okay. If let's say have 3, so click another label here. All right. So once already select which label you want to use it or add on, right? Okay. So we click next. So you can choose the filter option here, or you can select the manual selection. So it depends on your company practice lah. Once already done, you click next and then click save button only. That's all. So this is how to set the approval workflow on this one. Okay. So level 1, level 2, and level 3, it depends on the reporting person under that employee. Okay. So this is how to set the leave approval. Right. Okay, we go back to our slide. So next is the setting leave. So first, click the setting button here. Leave. We have the leave ranking, leave group, leave type, time off, type, unpaid leave, and replacement leave. This one. All right. So we go back to our system. Go back to the setting, right? And go to the general leave. First, we go to the leave ranking. Right. So this is the leave ranking you can put and you can drag and drop actually on this one. You can decide who is the uh click edit and you can drag and drop here. So this one is a ranking to list in the leave type there. First, what is the leave they can able to do? Annual leave, unpaid leave, medical leave. It depends on your practice lah on this one. Okay. Once already done the for the leave ranking, then click save button lah. That's all. And when you select the leave type, you follow based on the ranking here. Alright, so next is a leave group. Right, so this leave group is let's say you want to group by different maybe different pairing and also if you want to do the leave pairing based on annual leave or hospitalization, you can group by here lah. But it depends on your company practice. Okay. So next is for the leave type. Okay, so this leave type we already create on new annual leave, medical, hospitalization, compassionate leave, until marriage leave. Okay, so but if you have more want to add on others leave type, it's okay, no problem. You can click add new button here. Okay, so right, so I think the setting is same, but this one is this one if we want to set the setting there. Okay, so like this one, So you can able to choose day type include the leave taken. You can able to choose for the leave rounding method, right? Usually by default is for employee self-service policy, we put starting minimum day is a 0.5 lah, right? So maximum day allow you can put 99 days. It depends on company practice. Alright, so next is application for future leave. So this one is a minimum how many days advance to apply? Is that 7 days or 5 days or 3 days? So this one is a depends on company practice. Right, so this is next is application for backdated leave. So maximum 3 days. So this one you can option you want to put or you don't want to put also can, but it depends on your practice. Right, so this is the attachment covering personal reason and remark if you want to require or maybe optional, or maybe you don't want to appear anything. Let's say for example for covering person, if you don't want to put anything, just select hide here. So if they say hide, so from the leave type there's no any covering person to select it. Okay. All right, so we have the reason or remarks. So same, you can hide, you can set as an option. Option means don't want to attach, want to attach also can, no problem. All right, so required means must do. Means if let's say you put the required attachment, so need to require to attach lah. But if you require if unplanned, so means let's say unplanned means is an emergency leave. So means you apply the emergency leave, so you require to attach. So you want to reason, we want to reason why you want to apply the emergency leave or something that one lah. But it depends on your company practice. Okay. Alright, so this is have the option here. Allow taking unplanned leave and allow taking future leave if currently parent is 0. Allow to apply leave after confirm only. Allow cancel if request has been approved by any approver. So this is the option, it depends on your practice. Alright, so just put yes or no only. Okay, so next is for the entitlement policy. Alright, so entitlement policy have three, I think four options here. So based on calendar month, based on calendar year, or based on employee anniversary year, or based on employee hire date. Hire date based on your join date lah. Anniversary year means based on your service of year lah in the company. Okay. Calendar year, yes, based on the calendar lah. Calendar month is followed by month lah. On this one. So if you want, let's say your practice based on the what we call that every month complete. So complete 1 month appear the leave entitlement. So you can put you can set leave earn method by month or by year lah. On this one, or let's say don't want, so just click none only. Alright. So next is for the leave bring forward method. So there's three options: none, fixed maximum days, or zero balance. Based on percentage, it depends on your, if let's say you fix minimum days, how many days means you can fix maximum days. So how to set the bring forward, how many days you can bring forward, later I will show you on this one. All right, so this is for the leave bring forward will expire, you can set by day or by months. All right, so this one is for the employee progression prorate. So let's say, for example, if you take this one, right? So maybe you have some of the staff change their maybe what we call that, the title or maybe department or something, that one, right? So you once already changed, automatically system will prorate your leave entitlement. Okay, follow the new leave entitlement based on your practice. Alright, so below here is a scheduler. This scheduler means if let's say you use for the by month or by year here lah. So automatically system will auto update your entitlement is based on your scheduler time lah here on this one. Alright, so click continue. Okay, so this is for the entitlement setting. Okay, so if let's say you have made one different entitlement, let's say executive is different, management is different, you can select, you can click slide below here, you can add entitlement button here. If let's say you have a different like this one lah. This one for executive level, uh, entitlement, executive level, manager, contract. So it depends on your company practice. Right? Okay, so next is for the, let's just click edit button here. Alright, so this is how to set the leave entitlement from and to year. So you need to create like this one lah. Okay, so what is the entitlement? Entitled days. Alright, so this is a maximum brought forward. How many days you want to do the brought forward lah? Is that 5 days? So this one example is a 5 days lah. And maximum entitled plus BF. Okay, so this one you must to total up this one and figure this one. If let's say this one and this one, this one is a different for both here, right? So entitled back side. So system will not calculate your entitlement here on this one. Alright. Okay, so next is click continue. You can select the manual selection here, or you can select filter option here lah. So it depends on your company practice. Okay. Alright. So after that, click save button only. That's all. So this is how to set the leave entitlement. Same goes with others, but I just show here lah. But the others, medical leave, hospitalization, maternity, and paternity. Paternity, set based on female, and maternity for female, paternity for male on this one. But this one is for married lah. But this one you can set the criteria. Same goes with the annual leave like this one lah. Okay. So this is the leave setting type. Okay. Next, we go to the time off type. Right, by default, we already create you here, time off here. And then you can select or you can adjust from here lah. Same goes with the leave type, annual leave setting. And you can set the entitlement here lah. Right, so here is based on minute. Okay, so for this minute, it depends on the company practice. Right, so this is the example. You can adjust, or maybe from your end, maybe the default already create, but you can adjust it, no problem. Okay. All right, so this is for the time off. Okay, next is for the unpaid leave. All right, so usually unpaid leave we do comparing something like this one. So annual leave. Okay, so why we choose the annual leave here, right? Because once already done your already in the AL already zero entitlement, automatically system will detect you as an unpaid leave lah. So once already annual leave is zero, and then you want to apply, so automatically system will detect as a zero lah. Once annual leave already don't have any entitlement days or balance, and the system automatically detect you apply as a unpaid leave. Alright, so this is the unpaid leave setting lah. Same goes with the annual leave type there for the annual leave, and timer also same on this one. But this one is based on time off. So once you don't have any balance time off day, entitlement day, that one, so automatically system will detect as a unpaid time off. Okay. Next, for the last one is for the replacement leave. Right, so replacement leave is different, a bit different. So from here, you can select based on overtime or maybe working hours plus overtime. So it depends on company practice. All right. So this one, also we have a special one. Is a leave credit from attendance module will expire within. Is that 3 months or 1 month? It depends on your company practice. And also we have the specific. So you can select the specific lah. Specifically based on by month. Is that end current next year or something? This one, it depends. Okay. So this is for the overtime setting. Right. So this one is a bit different. So from entitlement here is based on your hours OT lah, total hours OT. Something like this one. Okay. So first, 3.9 hours is a 0.25 days lah. And then from 4 until 7.8 is a 0.5 and above is 1 day. So this one is it depends on your OT hours lah on this one. Right, same goes with for the off day, for the rest day, and for the public holiday. Alright, so here we can choose is that for all or maybe is for certain only. You can filter option here or you can do the manual selection here lah. After that, you can click save button. Okay, so this is how to set the replacement leave. Alright, so next we go back to our slide. Alright, so next is a leave menu process flow. Okay, so first is individual leave, and second is a leave summary, third leave history, fourth is a batch, fifth is a request on behalf, sixth is approve on behalf, and last one is a my leave. Alright, so leave menu process flow. So this is the image from the leave. So this is the flow. So first, individual leave is overview, employee entitlement, and transaction record. Second is a leave summary, overview, employee entitlement, and usage export table. Okay, third is a leave history, view and edit leave adjustment by HR. Right, so next is a batch, give or delete the leave by batch. Fifth is a request on behalf for hub employee to submit request. Approve also help superior to approve. And last one is for the my leave. Usually open to for the employee view. Okay. All right. So next, we're going to show you where is the leaf flow from the system. Okay. So here is for the leaf flow. Right. So here we have an individual leaf summary, leaf history, general entitlement, batch, request on behalf, approve on behalf, and my leave. All right. So first we go to the individual leaf. Okay, so from here you can able to select here, or you can filter if you want to view which company, or maybe you want to filter based on department. Okay, and also if you say if you want to adjust filter option here lah. Okay, so here you can able to view your employee side to view here lah. Yeah, leave entitlement balance for today, and also what is the leave history, and also time off. Let's say any adjustment, if you want to do the adjustment, you want to add on a leave entitlement or something like one, you can adjust from here. But this one for the admin side only lah. Alright, next is a leave summary. Okay, so this is the leave summary that staff already applied lah. You can see the taken, and then you can see from here for the entitlement. You can see the remark, you can see the pairing, or maybe pending request, what is available, what is adjustment from here lah. And you can edit here. You can adjust from here. Right, so this is for the admin side. Can view lah, and view and edit also. Both can. Alright, so next is a leave history. Okay, so from here you can able to edit. Okay, and you can able to add on the leave record here. This one without to approve any approval to approve lah. So means you direct add the leave record here lah. Let's say for example maybe they forgot to apply but already informed, right? So HR can help add the record here without means exclude your approval to approve lah. So we directly apply here. So here you can able to view the list of the leave. Alright, and this is the explanation lah, how system calculate your entitlement here. Okay, so this one a bit small, right? So if you want to download, you can click download button here lah. But in the format TXT lah, you can view from there. Okay, so explanation is best how to system calculate your entitlement here. Okay, so this is how to check your leave history to your employee leave history lah. Alright, so general entitlement. Okay, so general entitlement you must perform this one, because if you don't perform the general entitlement, so that staff not able to view any leave type in the list. Okay, so how to generate? So here click the type and leave type and select which leave you want to generate. Okay, so you can click annual leave here and 2024. Okay, so this one is prorate if let's say it's a new joiner or resign. Okay, and then click continue. Okay, so let's say for example next year you want to perform a leave entitlement. Don't worry, for the brought forward leave is automatically updated based on your setting there. Okay, and then you can select the employee or you can select the manual selection here lah, which employee you want to test run. Okay, you can click here, click plus button and click process button. So please wait. Once already complete, it will show you here the one employee entitlement successfully generate, right? So once already generated successfully, if you want to generate another entitlement, you can click here lah. And you can change. Okay. And you can, once already generate entitlement, you can click the leave history or leave individual leave. You can select here and you can select here. Okay. So you can view from here. Alright, so this is how once already generate entitlement, you can preview from here. Alright, so that one is for the generate entitlement. So next is for the batch. So we have three options. First, batch leave, batch delay entitlement, and batch delete leave lah. So first we go to the batch leave and we go to the leave type. Alright, so here you can click new entry, leave type. Alright, which one? Then you can adjust the leave entitlement if you want to add on or you want to reduce. Reduce means you need to put negative lah. If add means you need to add more than let's say for example they already use 8. And then you want to apply the this stuff, maybe special requirement, maybe management requirement or something like that. To add on another 2 days leave for this employee, you can add here 2 days and what is the leave type. Okay, and then you can enter the remarks and you can select the condition. So which employee is that? Certain only, or maybe by batch or by department, you can select from here lah. Condition. Okay, all available or Teams, or maybe you can filter option here, or maybe you can manual selection here lah. Okay, so this is the how to the leave entitlement adjustment lah by batch. Alright. So next is for the leave batch delete entitlement. If you want to delete the entitlement for a certain employee, you can select the which employee. First select the type, leave type and year, and you can tick the force delete here. Okay, and then click continue. Is that for all or maybe certain employee? You can do the by batch delete entitlement here lah. Okay, next is for the batch delete leave. Alright, so batch delete leave based on the leave history, means leave record you want to delete it now. But it depends on the attendance period. Okay, so maybe you wrongly apply or already approved but you want to delete that one. You can select the attendance period, which date until which date, and then leave, and then annual leave. You can select the leave here, which one you want to delete. Then you can select here, click this arrow button to include here. Okay. And then last one, if you want to have to unpaid leave or something like that, you can add on here and click continue. Okay. And then you can select which employee and you can click next. And then you can click process button. So automatically system will delete your delete leave by batch lah at the moment. Okay. So that one is for the batch. Alright, next is for the request on behalf. Right, next is for request on behalf. So request on behalf, if you want to request on behalf to the staff, means so you want to submit request on behalf lah on this one. But this one, just request on behalf only. This one is not auto approve. Once already request on behalf, right? So approval must perform to approve the leave. Same how to this one the same step with the employee ESS, employee self service there. Click new request, but this one admin must go to the here lah, leave request on behalf, and then select the leave, and then you can click new request button here. Okay, and you can submit on behalf, right? So this is how to request on behalf lah here. So this one is a once already request on behalf, right? So this one will the approval will receive the notification and that you can proceed to approve. All right. So next is for the approve on behalf. Right. So approve on behalf is similar with the approve my approval there. But this one is approve on behalf for the staff for the superior lah. Means you need to select which superior you want to approve on behalf. Right. So you can select this one approve on behalf you must select which approval you want to approve on behalf. Okay. So not not the employee submit the leave, but this one is a approval only. So you can search the which approval you want to approve on behalf lah. Okay. So this one you can select either if let's say have 3 record, you can select all here, or maybe you can directly click approve button here lah on this one. Okay. So this is how to approve on behalf. Right, so click approve button and you can enter the remarks on here. Alright, so this is how to approve on behalf. Alright, last one is for the my leave. Yeah, this one already show to you. Individual leave and leave history here lah on this one. Okay, so this is for the leave flow. Alright, next is we go to the HR process flow for the import leave. Alright, so this is for import leave or leave adjustment. Okay, so this is the how to get the import template. So first go to the utility here and click import tools. Okay, so once already click the import tools, click leave here and then click next button. Alright, once already click next button, alright, so there's a three option or two option here. First is a leave is for import individual leave, transaction for employees, and leave type. Okay, then this one leave adjustment is to import the leave by lump sum for each employee and leave type. This one. Okay, once already click that leave, which one leave you want to select it. So please click the icon download the template and then enter in the record at the on in the Excel file. Once already fill in all the complete all the template, so please click this icon to upload the template and then next click next button and then click to import lah. Click next to import. So this is the part if let's say if already finalized or maybe already discuss with your implementer consultant to adjust based on you want to add on as a let's say for example employee want to see the record already applied before this with which date or something that one you can use the leave template. So you need to add one by one lah. But the day is let's say for example they apply for 7 days, right? So you must put one column based on per column. So let's say 7, 8, 9, 10. So you must put the same employee code and then for 7, 9, 7 September, 8 September, 9, no, 9, 9 September. So one by one on this one. So this is for the leave record. So if let's say employee don't want to see but they want to see based on the balance only they can apply for this year. So this one you can use the leave adjustment. So this one, why is it, the current entitlement here, let's say to 12 years, 12 days, and then staff already applied for 10 days. In the adjustment template there, you can just put the negative 10 days. So automatically system will automatically in the available there, it show only for 2 days only at the moment. So that one is for lump sum lah, but for the leave adjustment, don't have any show you record or which date you already apply or something, this one, right? So that one is cannot use the leave adjustment. You need to use the leave only to add a record leave on this one. Okay? All right. So here, I just show you where to go to download the template. So here you go to the utility here, right? Click here is the import tools. Alright, so once you click the import tools, click the leave here and then click next button. Okay, so next you can choose and then you can click next. And you can click the once you already click the select which one, right? So you can click download. If you want to download all, you can click download all button here lah. But you want to download one by one, just click download icon here. Okay. So once you download, you can fill in the data in the template. Once already complete, please click here icon to upload your file. Once already upload, click next button. Okay. So once already click next button, then it will show you the progress. The leaf is already successfully import or not. If let's say fail, right? So you can able to download. So this one you can able click the view import log and you can select the leaf. Right, so you can view your history import. Is that fail? Let's say fail, you can download, not import here lah. Then it will show you the what is the reason it's not successfully import. Okay, so it's already complete. We show you here lah. Total process 1, updated is created data 1, imported 1 lah. So this one is successfully lah. If let's say fail, you can view what is the fail to import this leaf lah on this one. Okay, so uh, this is for the import leaf. Okay, so import log is a view history already. What is the reason is fail. If let's say complete, it show is complete lah. If let's say it's in progress, it will show here in the progress lah. This one. Okay, so this is the import leaf. All right, next is we go to the uh, next we go to the reports. Right, so how to actually to view the report? You can go to here, report button here, and we go to the leaf here. All right, so this is the standard report we have at the moment in the worksheet. Okay, so we have the individual leaf, we have the leaf history interactive, and we have the leaf history, and we have the company leaf, we have leaf calendar, leaf pending, and we leaf entitlement, batch history, and last one is a leaf placement and details. So first we go to the individual leaf here. All right, so here we can choose year, and you want which leaf type you want to include it, which time off, or maybe you want to view include unpaid leave, replacement leave. Also you can tick here, and you can adjust the leave condition here. If you don't want, okay, no problem. All right, so if let's say you want to show certain department only, so you can click advance here. Okay, so once you if let's say don't have, just select the generate here and click generate button here lah. Alright, so this is the leave balance report. Okay, so you can view here the annual leave, total employee here, and this is the employee name. Okay, and then this is the entitlement. This is the name, and this is the name, entitlement, and YTD earn available from here lah. And then if let's say you have any adjustment, it appear also on this one. Alright, you can click print or you can export to Excel here. Okay, so this is for the individual balance. Next is a leave history interactive. This one will based on uh your attendance period. Okay. Alright. So you can click generate report. Okay, so here for interactive, you can untick, you can tick which column if you want to view lah. So you can untick here, you can tick here, right? So it depends on your side lah to choose on this one. Okay, so you can select the full name or you can untick the first and last name also, no problem. Something like this one. Okay, and you can tick the full name here, right? So maybe you want to show the based on position or department, you can also tick here. No problem. Alright. So here is based on the leave type. What is a leave type? Start date, end date, duration, and also we have the staff date, start date, half day, set end date, half day, request date, final approval, pending approve, unplanned, and status and reason lah, something like this one. If let's say show the pending, so what who is a pending to approve? Like this one lah. Okay. So this is the report for the leave interactive history. So this one leave history for the uh, leave history, but this one is not interactive. This one is a default. Same goes with the individual leave report. But this one something like this one. So employee code, employee name, and this one start date and date, duration, annual leave. So like this one only at the moment. You can click here, option here for the export to Excel or print lah. So this one is just this one only. So interactive is, I will show you, you can choose which color you want to appear or not. This one you can use the interactive. Okay. Next is a company leave. Same goes with the others report, leave history and individual leave. But the company will show you like this one lah. So this is for the company. So this is the total. So from here you can able to view lah. But this one is based on the company. Okay. So what is the department? Okay. What is the name? So this one you can adjust it from here. So same goes with the leave interactive lah. You can choose or you can adjust from here. So next is a leave calendar. Okay, so this is for the leave calendar report. So choose the attendance period and click generate button here lah. So this is like the for the calendar leave. So date. So this date who is apply the leave and which leave they apply. Something like this one. Okay. Alright. So next is for the leave pending. This one leave pending to check who is approval not approved yet to their employee. So this is the report for pending approval. So this is what the pending, who is a pending to approve. So from here, admin can view here lah, the pending approval here lah, on this one. Next is a leave entitlement. So usually it's a leave entitlement report means we just view for the entitlement report only lah on this one. Something like this one lah. So this is for the entitlement. So this one it say if you have setting like for example like to view let's say you have in the setting you tick earn method is a by month, right? So if here report we can view by month what is the entitled they get lah based on by month complete on this one. Okay. All right. Next is a batch history. So this is by batch, but this one you cannot choose based on advanced lah. Based on the batch period only. So like this one lah. So this is a batch history lah. Next, last one is for the replacement leave. This one we just show you how they are earned leave, how many earned, how many taken, how many balance already applied lah. So this is the expiry date, and then this one how they are earned their replacement leave here. Okay, so this is what is the expiry date lah. So this is the part that you can view the report for the earn only. All right, so okay, so next we go to the break at the moment. So 11:35 we continue. So after that we continue our Q&A session lah after this. Right, so now we go to the break first at the moment, and then after that we continue on 11:30 lah. Right, thank you so much. All right, next is we continue our training. So next is what you do next. First, configure approval workflow. Second, create leave. And third is the general leave entitlement. Then we proceed for prepare leave history and adjustment data. Alright, so once already import the leave history and leave adjustment data, and official is already live lah. And last one is a familiar with leave report in the leave module lah on this one. Alright, so this is what you should do next after this lah on this one. Or maybe let's say you're still in the implementation progress, so you can discuss with your implementation consultant so to do this one on this one. Okay, so next we go to the Q&A. Right, so if you have any question, all right, so if you have any question, you just click the Q&A column there, then I will be answer to you one by one your Q&A lah. So I will answer from there. Okay. All right. So thank you so much for today. And then if you have any question, just drop in the Q&A, then I will answer to you from there. Thank you so much for your day. Have a nice day.